What's going on, Bessie Gang? Thank you for tuning back in to another episode of Black Bessie Media. Today I'm going to be showing you guys just a quick process of how I'm fixing one of the panels for the Z125. As you can see, it's cracked here, and getting ready to wrap the panels on the Z. The wrap just came in the other day, looking pretty sweet. Kind of be a secret reveal. You guys have to watch that video when it comes out. But I got some stuff behind me that I just picked up from the hardware store, some resin, some fiberglass. We're going to take care of this panel, get it bonded up, and then also in the process we're going to be cleaning the rest of the panels to get them ready to get wrapped. So let's waste no more time and let's get started. Alright, so real quick, just some of the products that I had picked up from the hardware store. We got the Bondo fiberglass resin along with the Bondo fiberglass mat, or like fiberglass. Picked up some throwaway stencil brushes and 2-ounce Jello cups. These I'm going to use these items here to patch that crack on the Z panel before I get it wrapped with the new wrap. Let's waste no time and let's get to it. Alright, Bessie Gang, so it's been a couple of days since the last clip. I finished wrapping all of the Z125 panels and they look great. Definitely a different look than the OEM Kawasaki green color. But that's enough talking. Let's get a little B-roll clip going and then move on to the next project. Thanks for watching, guys.